Welcome you to this tutorial video. In this video, I'll be taking you through finding decimal equivalent of numbers in any radix. And as we can see, we've been provided with an example. But before we proceed with the example, let's take note that every number in any radix, as long as it is in a decimal form, consists of two different parts, namely the whole number or integral part and the fractional or decimal part. And so when finding the decimal equivalent of numbers in any radix, the whole number part is considered positive while the fractional part is considered negative. So let's carry on with the example. So we are asked to convert 231.23 base 4 to base 10. So we have 231.23 to base 4. So the decimal point has divided this number into two different parts, the whole number part and the decimal part, which I can call the left hand side and the right hand side. So as we said earlier, the whole number part is considered positive while the other part is considered negative. So we can call this 0, 1 and 2, and this will be -1 and -2. So we are going to be multiplying these numbers successively with the base, taking each of their powers. So we have 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of 0 plus 2 times 4 raised to the power of -1 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power of -2. So we have 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2, that's going to give me 16, plus 3 times 4, because 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4, plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of 0 is going to give me 1, plus 2 times 4 raised to the power of -1, according to index 6, is same as 1 over 4, plus 3 times 4 raised to the power of -2, also according to index 6, is 1 over 4 squared, because this minus here implies 1 over. So I'm going to have 2 times 16 again, plus 3 times 4, plus 1 times 1, plus 2 over 4, plus 3 over 4 raised to the power of 2, that's 16. So this is going to give me 32 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1 over 2. If you break this down, 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 2 in 4 is 1, plus 3 over 16. So if you sum up the whole number part, which is 32 plus 12 and 1, I'm going to have 45. And if you sum up 1 over 2 plus 3 over 16, what you are going to have is 11 over 16. So mathematically, 14 plus 11 over 16 can be expressed as 45 whole number 11 over 16. So as we can see, this is an mixed fraction, which implies that it has two parts, the whole number part and the fractional part. So our question was given in a decimal form, so our result has to be expressed in a decimal form. So we can further break this down as 731 over 16. And how did I do that? Just simply multiply 16 to 45 and add 11. So using our calculator, 731 divided by 16 is going to give 45 plus 6. So this is going to give me 45.6875.